Welcome to readit.info, the interactive website with lessons in reading, writing, and grammar. Readit.info offers a quiz for each lesson to ensure a valuable learning experience worth your time. In this reading lesson, we will be learning the CK sound, bed, B-E-D, bed, wet, W-E-T, wet, chick, C-H-I-C-K, chick, duck, D-U-C-K, duck, neck, N-E-C-K, neck, clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock, lick, L-I-C-K, lick, sew, S-O, sew, my, M-Y, my, backpack, B-A-C-K-P-A-C-K, backpack. Congratulations on completing the lesson. Now challenge yourself by filling out the quiz below. For more lessons and quizzes, visit readit.info. Thank you.